what does it all mean? These cops running through my head, pictures of everybody has theirs, so a piece of the pie. A piece of life's puzzle, all you get is a puzzle. People trying to keep it hush, fake lies, fake front, smoking purple Chris Blunt, drunk, not giving a fuck. We next week, mixed with a little energy, it'll have these are the things that I did back then. Man, what was I doing? All the good were the things I was doing. Had me choosing death over life. Till I learned that it was fine for the price. Now I give it back and I put up a fight. Till I get it right, day based on God's time, walking by faith, not by sight. This is how I get it all in the rhyme, cause I'm on God's mind all the time, every day, 24/7. Still living for a blessing, still living and testing. Every day testing the waters, walking it out. Still without a doubt, Jesus Christ may bail me out. Woo! He bailed me out of a mess. He bailed me out of a mess. Yes, I put him to the test. He put me to the test many times and I slip and fail. But I get back up and dust myself off and say, oh well. Yes, I still represent the best. G.O.D. homie, yes, he's the best.